Tips for managing risk. Yeah, look, there are two rules. Rule number one, don't lose money. Rule number two, refer to rule number one. Those are the best risk tips and guidelines. Guys, listen, you've got to have a maximum loss per day. And then you've got to have a maximum loss per trade. Most novices are out there with nothing set this way. All right, they don't have a predetermined maximum amount that they will lose on any given trade. So they lose like a novice. They lose randomly. They don't lose within the confines of a plan because they don't have a plan. So once you have determined your maximum loss per day, where you will stop and not place another trade once you reach that amount, then you have a maximum loss per trade, which is smaller than your maximum loss per day, right? To give yourself multiple times to get it right. Then you have to do blocks of 20 trades. So after 20 trades, right, sticking to this plan, I will not lose more than $300 on any given day. I will not lose more than $150 on any given trade. As an example, I will not lose more than $300 on any given day. I will not lose more than $150 on any given trade. This is an example. I'm not saying it's for you, but many of my traders have that. They do 20 trades. Now, after 20 trades, sticking to that, what's your average loss? Ask a novice what their average losing trade is, and they will never be able to tell you. Why? Because they're novices. A professional knows what his average loss per trade is. Once you know what your average loss per trade is, then you try to cut it frickin' in half. So then you say, okay, the next 20 trades, I'm not going to lose more than this. And you try to get that average down. Okay? And when you got it down, try to get it down again. And then before you know it, 20 trades by 20 trades, focusing on shrinking the average loss, shrinking the average loss, shrinking my average loss per trade. All of a sudden, when you say, what the? Oh, look at my count. It's freaking growing. Oh my God. I wasn't even focused on the winning trades. I was just focused on getting my average loss down. I wasn't even trying to win. And look, I'm winning. See, most traders have this backwards. They're trying to win. You don't win. You lose properly. The winners happen by themselves. You don't win. If a stock goes from 20 to 24, what did you do except pray? I mean, you did absolutely nothing. You didn't physically push it up, did you? You didn't call any of your billionaire friends. I need you guys piling some money into this so this stock can go from 20 to 24, please. No. You prayed. That's it. Right? So evidently, a win is not your responsibility. But what is your responsibility? The loss. See, the market can't stop itself. So it needs your help to stop it. So a market can't promise you small losses. Only you can deliver small losses to yourself. So you can't make a stock win, but you can stop a stock. The market can't stop itself, but it can produce the win. So there's there's a partnership here between you and the stock, right? And the market. You do your job. Cut when you're supposed to cut. Cut when you're supposed to cut. Cut, 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 cut. And the market does this. Give you the wins. You're the cutter, the market's the winner. The novice has this backwards. They leave the loss side untouched and they focus on the win side. And the market's like, you idiot, what are you doing? What the heck are you doing? It's my job. What are you doing? They have it backwards. Winning happens to you if you do your job. Cut the losses.